We have been Airbnb hosts now for 4 years.
Oh my God.
And over the last 4 years, we have really run the gamut of like products and things that we have learned to really love and really dislike.
So we're gonna run down everything that we've been using and loving over the past 4 years in our Airbnb, things that we cannot live without. And if you can hear our baby in the background, apologies.
Okay, so number one up on the list.
Security is super important when it comes to your short-term rental, and you have to be very open and transparent about where you have cameras, which makes total sense.
Obviously, we do not recommend putting cameras inside. That's not what we're talking about. The reason that we love Ring, the reason that I loved Ring, is because one, we pay for one plan and we can use that plan and separate the properties. So if you have multiple properties, you can pay for one Ring plan and have multiple properties set up, and it says like, this house there's motion, this house there's motion.
And we have tried other cameras. We bought one on Amazon that was really crappy, and when it would be really windy, it was so hard to connect to it.
You needed an SD card in it.
And so we'd have to take that and then download the footage. Like, it was a whole situation at first, and so the Ring has been wonderful, and it connects right away. We're able to see when guests are checking in, checking out, see how many people are there. I
think that's the biggest thing for me is the Ring. When you slide it and open it, if your internet is decent, like, it shows you the picture right away. And for security purposes, if somebody's trying to break in, if somebody's there that's not supposed to be there, I think that's why we like it.
Yes, because when the hot tub cleaner comes, or the trash is getting picked up, or random things throughout the night because we have wild animals, it's just, it's great. It's really quick. And something great, it has a solar panel, so we don't have to worry about charging it anymore. Our old camera, we would have to go out there and charge it. Yeah. Like the whole time we were there, and then we put it back up before we leave. So this is great, has the solar panel, and obviously there's lots of sun out in the desert, so it's not a problem for us with clouds or anything like that. So
speaking of security, this next product that we love, and we have been using now for what, like 2 years or something like that?
Yeah, I think 2 years now.
Is our smart lock. Now, this is not the most top of the line smart lock ever in the world, but here we're all about saving money.
It's got fingerprint access, which is really nice for him and I. Like, when we show up, we just put our finger on there and we're good to go. Like,
it also has RFID cards that you could give to cleaners or handyman or whoever, family members, that can just come in and swipe it like it's an office and they get in. So now the product that we are talking about is the Deslock Smart Door Lock B200. Now this does have a Wi-Fi bridge that you need to get as well, so that works with your Wi-Fi that you can place nearby. You plug it into the outlet, it works. It has 4 batteries that we charge maybe like once every couple of months.
Yeah, which isn't bad. And like, your cleaner can change them out super easy if you need, or if you have a management company.
It works with the Airbnb app.
Oh yeah, it works with the Airbnb app, and it connects, so that's really nice. So it will just do it automatically.
I love the fingerprint portion of this. We used to have a quick set one, and our guests couldn't figure it out for some reason.
Gosh, we had so many issues with the quick set.
When the sun would hit it for some reason, it wouldn't work.
It wouldn't like light up.
The LED screen. Yeah. So we like this product. If you have a better option, let us know in the comments down below, but we like this one.
Oh, and it's only $58.
Yeah, right now on Amazon, it's $58.
This next one isn't a physical product in the house, it's more about the back end.
A lot of you who host or are thinking about hosting often ask us what tools are worth looking at to keep the financial side of your rental organized without becoming a full-time job, and we're all about simplifying things. And one platform worth checking out is Baselane.
It's built specifically for real estate investors and short-term rental owners like ourselves who want a clearer way to manage rental finances in one place.
Baselane combines banking, bookkeeping, and rent collecting into a single platform, which can be really helpful once you're juggling expenses, payouts, multiple properties, and it offers property-specific accounts and an AI-powered bookkeeping that automatically categorizes your transactions by property and tax categories, so things don't end up scattered across spreadsheets or different apps.
And come tax time, you'll have your tax package ready in one click. For hosts who want less manual work and a clearer picture of cash flow, it's designed to centralize everything and make the financial side of hosting easier to manage.
If you want to check it out, head over to baselane.com/Kristen and Michael to sign up for Baselane and get a $100 cash bonus.
Baselane combines banking, bookkeeping, and rent collection to streamline your rental finances and give a clear view of your cash flow.
Sign up at baselane.com/Kristen and Michael to get a $100 cash bonus. All right, let's get back to other products that we use in our Airbnb all the time.
Cozy Earth sheets, they are our favorite. They are tried and true, and they are so buttery soft and comfortable. We get so many compliments on our king sunset room, bedroom.
We love these sheets. We love going to sleep there because these sheets are so good that we bought them for ourselves here.
Yeah.
They are not the cheapest sheets.
No.
And it really hurts when we have to replace them.
Every like 2 years, we've re-upped our sheets, I'd say.
Even more than that on the other bedroom as well.
Definitely.
But these ones, they're so good. The quality is so good. And we get messages all the time asking like what kind of sheets they are.
Yeah.
So,
and how comfortable the sleep is.
if you're looking for a more luxe feeling on your bed, definitely go with the Cozy Earth, the bamboo sheets. They are so good.
Another thing inside the house, in the kitchen specifically, that we love are our green pan pans. We have the ceramic green pan pans. They are Bobby Flay edition. Michael didn't want me to say that, but they are.
Well, I think I accidentally ordered that. Did you order them or did I?
I don't know, but I love them. And it's funny because they say BF all over them, but I don't even care because...
We got them on Black Friday and they were Bobby Flay edition. It's subtle.
But they're ceramic and they're really easy to clean. They haven't been scratched up like our other ones that we got also on Amazon. Those got scratched up so fast.
Because we went cheap on them originally, and I think that's why I like these pans so much, is because people come cook and be with their family and dine in our house. So if that's the way your Airbnb, your listing is set up, make sure your pans are good.
Yeah.
Make sure they're not flaking off Teflon because that stuff is toxic.
Yeah.
So ceramic pans, these green pan ones have been great for us.
Yeah.
Okay, so one thing about getting an old house and converting it into an Airbnb is sometimes the light switches are in random spots.
The weirdest places.
To solve this issue, we found these wireless radio signal, maybe like light switches. So what it is, you plug one end into the outlet, you plug the light into that, and then you put a switch on the wall that you can just put in like a drywall screw, and it just sits there. You can set it next to your switches, and it's just a rocker switch, and it turns the light on and off. It can turn whatever on and off.
It's so nice. We even got one for my mom at her house. So they work anywhere. Like, they're so amazing. I don't know who invented these, but...
And they're very inexpensive. So if you have that issue, we love these products, and we will link them down below. I don't know the name of them off the top of my head. Yeah, it's a Surelec wireless wall switch. It's got a 100-foot range. Amazing. So we love it.
Our cleaners are our allies, and we always want to have them equipped with the best stuff they can use in our home. Things that we would want to use in our own home. So one of those is the mop situation. We love a clean floor. We're out in the desert. We've got dirt and sand, and we make sure that they have the O-Cedar mop with the spin. The spin mop is the best. We're obsessed with it in our own home, and now we've equipped our cleaners with it. You can just pop the top of the mop off and throw it in the washer and clean it. We have two. I think it comes with two, and it's just so nice and clean. I love it. It's not a sponge mop, which really holds all the dirt and grime, and it's disgusting. This you can actually wash in the washer, and it's clean and sanitized.
Because when we first started hosting, we were the cleaners for the first 6 months, and we tried every mop, and we tried Swiffer. Swiffers got so expensive.
Yeah, and it's a lot of synthetic fragrances and stuff, and like it's just leaving residue on your, whatever we got wood or whatever your flooring is. We're able to use whatever kind of cleaners we want.
Next up on the cleaning front is something that we actually got on our wedding registry that we ended up just leaving at our short-term rental.
We don't even have this nice of a vacuum anymore.
At our own house. But it is such a game changer when you're trying to clean the house in a hurry, and it is the Dyson cordless vacuums, specifically the ones that have the long stick. Let me look up what it's called. The Dyson V9. Any of the Dyson V15, but any of the Dyson vacuums that they have the long handle that you can go on the floor, or it's kind of like a gun that you're holding, and We love it because it works so well, and I take it outside to clean the cowboy tub too. Like
You suck up the sand with it. It's lasted so long.
And the reason that we're even saying this product is because we got this product in 2018.
I was just gonna say, if you weren't gonna say that, I was gonna say I'm pretty sure we got it in 2018.
It's 8 years old, and it has been used weekly, sometimes daily, back to back, put through the ringer with sand, with dirt, with
hair. This has been through it, and it's still kicking.
Yeah, it's crushing it. So if you're looking for a good vacuum, we like this one.
It's an investment worth it.
Yeah, I know. What is that, girl math? So the amount of times we've used it,
it's free.
It's basically free. It's paid for itself at this point. Kristen and I are not interior designers, and we had trouble figuring out the layout for our living room.
The look of our living room,
we had a general idea of what we wanted it to look like, but we needed a designer's touch on it. We found a really good online service called Havenly that we have now used for our own home, and we uploaded our photos. We went through all the calls with them, showed them the inspiration, and they helped us design our living room. So if you like the way our living room looks here in these photos, this was designed by a
Havenly
designer.
And we're obsessed. Like, couldn't have gone better. And something also that we loved about Havenly, that we could take what they gave us and we put it into Google image search, and we found less expensive options.
Yeah, because they do use premium products on their website, and so like for the rug, we found a cheaper option for the rug, but we bought the really nice chairs. So you can use it like that, use it for inspiration. How deep you want to go with them is really up to you.
Yeah, we loved it. Because we are in the desert and in the elements, and anywhere you are, you're going to be in the elements, all right? Nature is around our homes, right? We have found that pests seem to get into the house. We've got big flies, big weird beetle bugs, and all these things.
Ants.
An ant.
A goldfish got dropped behind the coffee machine, and our cleaner missed it. And the ants swarmed our house. This was the first year during the height of the summer.
It's horrible.
And so this...
Thank God we showed up.
Yeah, we caught it before, but this can really save your butt.
Yes, so that is pest control. And it's unfortunate, and we don't love to have to do it, but we've got a pet-friendly, kid-friendly pest control company that we work with, and it has been wonderful.
Yeah.
We used to see like handprints on the wall and like a dead bug smack or a shoe print. And we were like, what is going on? There's a shoe print. And then it's like a little smash, like somebody killed something.
A spider.
Yeah, so we have not had any of that since we started our pest control. And it has been a game changer. That will affect your reviews. Like if you have bugs in the house, you have ants in the house, like it's just worth it. When you're running a business.
Yeah, it can ruin your business. The bad reviews can ruin your business. So it's a local company that we employ. Find one in your area that works well for you. A relatively small cost. It's $50 a month for us, and it's worth it. One of the reasons that I really enjoy it is because it keeps the outdoor furniture free of spiders and stuff like that.
Yes.
Which was a big problem when we built our backyard pergola area. It was just a magnet for spiders.
Oh my God, there were
big
spiders everywhere at first.
Okay, now the last one that we want to talk to you about is a software that we use that we actually really enjoy, and that is our smart pricing system.
Yeah, we've used it since day one.
Yeah, it's called Price Labs. And if you don't know what Price Labs is, it's basically the Airbnb smart pricing tool, but on steroids, and it has so much data and it runs in the background for you. You can get as granular as you want with it and dial in seasonality, orphan nights, but it uses market data like from your area, and when we first started, we were using the Airbnb smart algorithm. Once we started switching to Price Labs, we started getting way more bookings because it's a software built for that, but it also takes into account like when there's a holiday, when there's like a festival coming up, like it'll track that, and it'll track an influx of bookings. Let's say a band announces a show in the area, they'll see an influx of bookings, and it'll raise or lower prices to fill nights. So it's just a product that we've actually like really enjoyed, and I like look at it like maybe twice a year.
Yeah.
And it just kind of runs in the background. I think it's like $30 a month or $20 a month. I'll have to check on that. It's definitely been worth it for us. It's working, and I'm like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So that is something that we have been loving.
The last thing, just because we were talking off camera, that we love for our Airbnb is our mattress.
Yeah.
The tufted needle mattress is just chef's kiss. We even got one for our house. our own home, and we get private messages from our guests, not only about our Cozy Earth sheets, but about like the sleep. And that just really shows that our mattress is luxe and amazing. We've had so many, hundreds of guests at the home, and we'll still go and lay on that mattress and it's still like it's brand new.
Yeah.
It's so comfortable.
Well, we do have a waterproof cover on the mattress.
Yes.
Right.
So that helps tremendously with any stains or smells or anything that happens on the mattress.
So we have 2 bedrooms in our rental. We have a king bedroom, a king in like the main bedroom, and then a queen bed in the other room. The king bed is the Tuft & Needle full mattress. On the queen, we have just regular mattress, but then we got the Tuft & Needle topper. If you want to add a little nudge to your whatever mattress, Tuft & Needle does have a topper that we would recommend.
Definitely.
Yeah.
It's so comfortable sleeping in the queen room too.
And sleep. If somebody has a good night's sleep at your Airbnb, then they can have a good experience and they'll leave you good reviews. So don't underestimate the value of a good mattress at your rental.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If there is anything you're loving at your short-term rental that we need to know about or we need to have in our own, let us know in the comments down below. And we will see you in our next video.
Yeah.